You dance? Can you show me how you dance, Eva? Eva. Eva. How do you dance, honey? Can you show mommy how you dance? Put your ABCs on and dance. Go ahead. Hey, Eva. Put your ABCs on. Show mom how you dance. Go ahead. Play your song. Show mom how you dance. Eva. That's your baby. Can you give your baby a hug? Oh. No dancing today? Little dance. Good girl. That was a nice little dance. What you got? Hi. Hi. Can you play the ABCs for mommy? Thank you. That was a nice dance. Good girl. What a good dancer. What a good dancer she is. Where you going? Where you going? There's a door in that, you know. Eva. Eva. What are you doing? What happened? Oh, what happened? Did you fall down? Did you fall down? Are you okay? Are you okay? Hey, are you okay? Hi. Look at all those teeth. Good job. Do you want to say bye-bye to the camera now? Can you do patty cake for the camera? Patty cake, patty cake? Good girl. Can you wave bye-bye? Say bye-bye. Bye-bye.